Tariki inya mweri wa Januari mwaka uyu wakiirio ta mithenya iria ingi na Wangui ciana ciake ithatu muthuri we makioha thabari ya gucera mucii wa ciana cia ndigwa iria mateithagia indi rugendo rwao rugitinikira itura-ini iria Soisambu Gilgil kaunti-ini ya Nakuru. Thabari no yatinikire kurumirira mutino wa barabara uria wakuruhanirie Turera na ngari iria family no makomborete merekeire kaunti-ini ya Bungoma thutha wa Turera yo kugutha ngari yao na gucungiriria ikuo cia ciana icio ithatu nao aciari magitigwo mari na nguraro nini.
I call sibling loss the loss of a lifetime because who else would we expect to have relationships with?
Jerry uria ni wa ukuru wa miaka 16, Emmanuel wa miaka 13 na muru wa nyina Kairo wa miaka 6 maguthirwo ni Turera utuko uyu na gucungiriria Emmanuel na Kairo gukua makigeria guthaitirwo thibitari-ini wa Nakuru Women's na thutha ucio Jerry agikwira thibitari-ini wa Nairobi Hospital tariki 16 mweri uyu akiamukira urigiti. Hĩndĩ ya igongona riri nyina wa ciana ici ni eririte thabari ino iria yacungiriirie gikuo gia ciana ciake ithatu na kumutiga atari na mwana ona umwe.
Your memories hold me, your faces as I knew you. The way you championed me, you taught me that you came from somewhere, made by somebody special, because you already knew more than I did.
Oho ni aganite ciana ici akiuga ni ciana irari na rucio ruri na mwihoko munene ma.
If I could turn back the hands of time, I would now, but I have to look forward to a different time in the Father's hands with you, loving you still, Mom.
Omwari thutha wa ugi makigana ciana ici makiuga mari ta family ni maguthitwo igutha inene ni gikuo giki makimenereria mitino ya barabara iria ikoretwo ikihanika mahinda kwa mahinda guku bururi-ini.
You were so funny and had such bright spirits. I will always cherish the times we spent playing roadblocks together.
Too young to understand why you had to leave so soon, but they do understand that you're safe and loved in the arms of God.
Miri ya ciana ici ithatu ni icokire gucinwa guku mucii wa Nairobi.
Goodbye my babies Cairo, Emmanuel and Jerry.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ikua Awaboshi.